Alright, I'm going to do a quick video walkthrough through a project that I did a couple years ago with an awesome client over here in Vancouver, and I'm just hand holding this, so I apologize if I'm a little wobbly, but I wanted to do a video because one of the unique things about this project is that undulating steel fence. Those are just slats between the basalt boulders, and they just create a nice division of space that's light and airy and moves. And we've got a very simple but colorful plant palette in here. And I'm just it's kind of a strolling garden as I go through, but the shadow play is especially nice. So you can kind of see that really happening there. Go through the plant palette. Fun little outdoor chess set. And another smaller part of the garden. And then I'll just pan back one more time. So the real focal point of this garden is that fence, that screen. So basalt boulders and steel, and you just see the movement. And this was a super fun project, and I was just honored to be able to work on this with a really wonderful client. So isn't this gorgeous? Hope you enjoyed the tour.